Hi there. Well, I wanted to go through the syllabus and do a short little video and do some highlights on the syllabus. This is in the Getting Started module, drop-down module. And here here's the link right here for the syllabus. So if we were to click it, it gives you a view. And in the syllabus, I have my name, my office, even though it's in the summer and this is an online class, I won't be there. But if you need to get a hold of me, this is my cell phone number. You can text me. You can email me. Here's a link, and this is also on the homepage for your Canvas. The class is online. If for some reason you have a lot of questions after watching the videos, you're still struggling with some of the homework assignments, some of the concepts, we can meet on Zoom. This is my Zoom link. And if you were to come to the syllabus and click on this, I could also email you this link in order for us to meet on Zoom. If you do need to go directly to the YouTube channel, you could use this, but I highly recommend you just go to the modules and click them individually. And it gets you right to the exact video for that lesson. So a lot of this you can kind of read through. Some of the things that I wanted to highlight is the grading. We have 65% are tests, 35% are the homework. And you need to remember that if you don't do the homework, the best you can get is a 65 in the class. And that's if you get 100% on each of the tests. So you will have to do the homework or some of the homework in order to get your 70% in order to pass. Let's see. And I grade 90, 80, 70, 60. I do round up. So if you do have an 89.5, I can round up to a 90. And let's see. We will be having homework. All the homework assignments here are in my my math lab. Actually, we say my math lab, and I put it down here, but it's my lab math. But we just say my math lab or in Pearson. And you don't need the textbook because the textbook is embedded in your Pearson account. So there is an ebook. And when I talk about Pearson and how to use Pearson, I'll show you where the ebook is. That'll take you to the page that you need. If you want to buy a book, that's fine. We have tests. There will be 5 tests, I believe, and then the final. And the final is embedded in the in with all the tests. So it's not like the final's worth more than the regular tests are. It's not. It is counted as one of the tests. And let's see. Here are the competencies. And that we'll be learning about. You need a 70% in order to move on. I do talk about quizzes every once in a while, but because this is such a short course, 8 weeks, I've taken out the quizzes. So all we have are tests and homework for your grade. Let's see, I'll explain tests a little bit more too. Soon as here, the health and safety, things like that. Now, here's a tentative course outline, and I want to highlight the fact that it is tentative. Weeks 1 and 2, chapters 1 and 2, and then week 3, chapters 3 and 4. And then week 4 is 5 and 6. And then after week 5, we'll just do 1 chapter a week. So chapter 5, or excuse me, week 5, we just have chapter 7, which is on percentages. And then week 6 and 7. So we may not use all of this time. I might be able to move things back a little bit. This is just kind of a tentative schedule for you. It gives us some wiggle room in case, you get behind or something like that in your test. Yeah, so there are the 5 tests and then the final exam. So really it's 6 tests and worth 65% of your grade. And the rest of the homework is 35% of the grade. But that just kind of gives you a rough idea of what we're doing and where we're going and the topics we'll be talking about. If you have any questions on this syllabus, please let me know. And I'll be happy to talk with you. Otherwise, you can just kind of read through it. I think it's not really too hard to understand. Okay. All right. Thank you.